Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what real Viking music sounded like. We'll explore the fascinating world of Norse soundscapes, piecing together clues from history and archaeology. Imagine the sounds that filled longhouses and battlefields. While no direct recordings exist, we can infer much from the instruments and cultural practices of the era. Get ready to journey back in time and discover the rhythms and melodies of the Viking Age. Viking musicians utilized a variety of instruments, each contributing to their unique sound. The lyre, a stringed instrument, was central, often accompanying poetic recitations. Bone flutes, crafted from animal bones, produced ethereal tones. Horns, made from animal horns, were used for signaling and ceremonial purposes, creating deep, resonant sounds. Drums and other percussive elements likely provided a strong rhythmic foundation for their music. Music was deeply integrated into Viking society, serving many purposes beyond mere entertainment. It was a vital part of storytelling, with skalds performing sagas and poems, often accompanied by a lyre. Feasts and celebrations were filled with songs and instrumental pieces, fostering community and merriment. Even religious ceremonies and rituals likely incorporated specific chants and musical elements, connecting the people to their gods and traditions. While we can't definitively know every nuance of Viking music, modern interpretations and scholarly reconstructions offer compelling insights. Contemporary artists, particularly in folk and metal genres, continue to be inspired by the raw power and historical depth of Norse culture, bringing these ancient sounds to new audiences. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of the Vikings that their musical spirit still resonates today. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.